dragging your voice. You had a lunch? When? Then should be there. Okay, today we, according to your wish, we are going to learn something about what? Refraction. Right. What is, before refraction, I want to know what do you know about reflection? Anyone? Reflection. Yeah. This I think lower class definition is like this. Anybody who can define it properly, what is reflection of light? Please say. Anybody? You can just open your text. Who can just check it out? What is reflection? You should be quick. What is reflection of light? Yes. I want a proper definition if you know. Okay. What is reflection is?
When light falls upon its surface, it also transmits property of water.
Reflection. Give me a big round of applause. Very good. The process of light ray is visible, reflected back. If at all, if it falls on a plain opaque surface. You have to always mention opaque. What do you mean by opaque? Which doesn't allow any light to pass through it. If the same light falls on transparent object, what will happen? What will happen? Am I coming to the topic? Okay. If it is the opaque object, what happens if light falls here? It reflects back. If at all, this is very important. Whenever you are showing opaque body, it is very important. If at all, if it is a glass, transparent object, what will happen to the light? Always we take a line which is always normal to the surface. What do you call it as? This is normal ray. This is incident ray. This is refracted ray. Done? Okay. Always normal is there whether it is opaque object or transparent object. Okay. So this is normal. Now a light ray falls on this incident ray is always. What happens here? Now these are glasses. Why it bends? Change of medium. Very good. This is very important. So, we got your definition of refraction. Whenever a light ray passes through a transparent or translucent objects, it will change its path due to the different mediums. What do you call them as? Different mediums. Sometimes if it is A, lighter mediums we call them as rarer medium, and thicker mediums we call them as denser mediums. Okay. So the process of light passing through a transparent object, it bends. This process is called as, what do you call it as? Refraction of what? Right, only light. Understood what is refraction? Don't write. What is refraction? The process. Just open your textbook. Find out the definition over there. See, if I tell you to explain, you will explain. Can anyone explain what is refraction? What is refraction? Yeah, try. You can try. I am not giving any marks here. I am just checking out whether you have understood or not. Falls on that one word, it bends, the light ray bends depending on the medium. If it is denser to rarer, it bends towards the normal. If it is rarer to denser, it bends away from the normal. Okay. So I'll just show you. We go with refraction. Then this. I want everybody to just go through the video and then we get back. Voice over?
Yes.
Please. Open it first of all of you. For today's day, write the heading as refraction. Quick. I'll be counting 3. 1, 2. Continue. What is date today? 12. What is the heading? Quick refraction of light. First, I want you to go through the video. Then we have drawing. After that, I have some curious points to speak about refraction. I don't know whether you know it or no. We just check it out. I want everybody to watch the video carefully.
Have you observed a fish in a fish tank from above? Well, it appears a bit raised. Want to know why? It happens due to a phenomenon known as refraction of light. Let's check out an activity to understand this. Imagine a road of concrete and gravel right next to each other.
All the time.
Two hoverboards A and B are supposed to travel from the one side of the concrete road to the other side of the gravel road. Hoverboard A is moving in an oblique direction, while B is traveling perpendicular.
What is oblique? Maths. What do you mean by oblique? Perpendicular, we call it as oblique, right? Straight line. Okay. We'll get back. You ask your maths now.
To the interface. Did you see how the path of hoverboard A changed? We know that the speed of both hoverboards decreases, but why did the path of hoverboard A change? Hoverboard A takes an oblique path. The right wheel of the hoverboard reaches the gravel first and its speed decreases. However, the speed of the left wheel remains the same until it reaches the gravel. This shifts the path towards the right. It moves in a straight line when both its wheels are in the gravel. The shifting of the path occurs only at the interface. Something very similar happens with light.
Half water free, not water. Glass tournament. Coincident tournament. Bigger.
Light bends when it is incident obliquely on the interface between two trunks.
What is oblique? Straight. You should know this always.
Transparent media. This bending of light when it obliquely travels from a rarer to denser medium or a denser to a rarer medium is called the refraction of light.
Oblique is straight or slant? With an angle. Okay. So today, whenever your maths will teach maths for you, yeah, ask him or any of the teachers. So this is your one medium, this is the glass, and this is the another medium. Whenever this is the normal to that particular surface, whenever a light falls on at a point to the normal, actually it should travel in a straight line. But what happens? It bends. It is due to refraction of light. Why it bends? You got to know the previous video. We saw the previous video, right? So what is refraction? I want everybody to read this.
Bending of light at the interface obliquely travels from a
Rarer medium to denser medium or vice versa. Your definition should be like this. I want everybody to quick write this definition. Make it fast. Refraction of light. And always you have to use that word phenomenon. Okay? Very important. Quick. Whenever you just observe here, whenever it is moving from A to the glass, the refracted ray, it is moving towards the normal here. Okay, this is normal. You can just see the angle here. So whenever the light ray, now after passing through the denser glass, here this becomes incident ray, and this becomes the first medium, and this becomes the second medium. That time what is happening? The incident ray, whenever it comes out, that time it is moving away from the normal. This is very important in the refraction of light. Whenever it is moving from rarer to denser, the refracted ray moves towards normal. Whenever light ray is passing from denser to rarer medium, the light ray moves away from the normal. Okay. Just we have one activity now. Class. Just come. You have done this? Try to put this coin inside the glass. Just call Ayman and let her fill the bucket. Try. Not from there. Top. From the top. You have tried this? No. Okay. Or else one small stand to this side. I think we have to still fill the water. Yeah, you come, you just try. Pause. I should make this pencil bend without breaking. Is it possible?
Yes.
Now you know, everybody knows. How is it possible? Put it inside the glass. Can you see? Why? It is due to refraction. Can you see? Can you see? It is bent or no?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
What is this process is called as?
Refraction.
See, every day you will have physics in your life. You never see it. Okay? One more small game I want to play with refraction. I want somebody who is very good. Did it go?
Yes, but it did not.
It did not. Can you try one more time? No. And tries to put the coin in that particular direction, but it is not possible. This is due to refraction of light. Day-to-day applications are very important, children. What you observe, what you do, you should try to connect with science. Very important. Fine. So today I think bell rang. I'll just wind up with one small question for you people. Have you seen ships? paper ship. It's actual ship. You should see the image. They just literally float. Say floating. Ship is floating. Floating. It's not floating. You didn't see? You feel that it is floating, flying? Okay. And one more word, nice it is. Can you see? Okay. I want everybody to find answer for this. Why sometimes ships are seen like floating or flying? Hot question for you. Note it down. Why sometimes in some regions, not in all, in some regions, you feel ships are floating or flying? Justify your answer.